market analysis dashboard built using plotting. The aim is to help investors and analysts identify stock market trends, sector performance, and future-proof companies in India's current financial landscape. So as we move forward and downwards, we can see at the left filter button here. So what does it actually do? We can filter by the date range, the company sector, the sector filtered here, the market price range, and then the performance period gap. We can see we can choose 1 year or we can choose 3 months. Uh, okay, and this is all the market cap category, large cap, mid cap, and so the say filter sector filter means the financial services, IT services, or the banking, which we want to see the current scenarios in stock market. We can see the listed company that I have been I have uploaded for the designing of this particular dashboard is only up to limited to this companies: Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, HDFC, ICICI, Reliance, TCS, Wipro, etc. Okay, as we move downwards, we can see the different charts that have been designed. So now in the left side, we see the stock price trend analysis. There is a different analysis of different companies. It is all over major summary of different companies all in one chart. So the moving average segment 20-day, 50-day, 200-day moving average. So if you see Axis Bank, we can see the graph peaking here at the price of 1316 and a down of 1137. You can see TCS here and all this. Okay. Now move on to the next, the stock price volatility. This box plot shows fluctuations, helping us identify high risk versus stable companies. We can see this by company. We can choose all companies in a single chart. Okay, then the next, if we come downwards, we see the sector performance analysis. This bar chart compares sectors like banking, IT, and energy over 1 year or 2 year ranges. See, the ranges are also mentioned here: 2 years or 1 year. The percentage returns or absolute returns, all this. Now the stock correlation matrix. This is what there's a heat map shows how different stocks move together, useful for portfolio diversification. We can see choose the time period as 6 months or annually or 2 years. Okay. So as we see the different companies are here: TCS, SBI, Reliance, Infosys, ICICI, HDFC, Bajaj Finance, and Axis Bank. As we move downwards, we see the moving average crossover signals. Here we can see buy sell signals generated from moving average crossovers. The company listed here is Axis Bank. If we move to HDFC, we can see the heaps. Yeah, that's Infosys different. We can see the high rates of 1733 to low to 1636, closing at 1677. Okay. Now, as we move to the next part, that the risk and return analysis, this catalog positions companies based on risk and return and guiding future-proof investment choices. And this analysis period of can be 2 years or all the time. We can see the source sector groupings here: sector, banking, financial, IT, and oil and gases. Always, oil and gases have not been included in this particular designing, as I have only chosen IT and banking services sectors. So in the cumulative returns all over time, this is the complete summary of all have been listed. So we can see the better of where the investors get to see a better picture on which company they need to invest in the future. There we can see Axis Bank here, like this. And in the very last, it's a final result of conclusion when we can see the displays each company with its future-proof score, current price, volatility percentage, growth rate percentage, and moving average signal percentage. So we can see the Axis Bank here. And this is the future-proof score. If the score is above 50, then it is on the safer side. Let's move on to different rate. Let me show you. Since it's in the 70 plus 76.4, it is much in the safer side to be invested. Nice. And it's all this. And so now here then we can see which trend signal is bearish, is bullish. All these future proof scores are presented here: 77.4, 76.4, 77.4 Wipro, 76.4 is also Wipro. So